Triumph Speed 400 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of beginner motorcycles just got a major upgrade with the arrival of the Triumph Speed 400. With its classic British charm, modern engineering, and rider-friendly performance, the Speed 400 is quickly being hailed as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Triumph's latest small-displacement roadster marks a new chapter for the legendary brand, one that's welcoming new riders with open arms. Built as part of a new collaboration between Triumph and Indian manufacturer Bajaj Auto, the Speed 400 brings premium quality and timeless aesthetics to a much more accessible price point. It's aimed directly at beginner riders who want more than just a commuter. They want a motorcycle that excites, inspires confidence, and turns heads. At the heart of the Speed 400 is a 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, giving it smooth shifts and forgiving power delivery, ideal for those still mastering throttle control and downshifting. The engine offers a nice balance, enough pep for spirited riding but gentle enough to never feel overwhelming. Ergonomics play a big role in making the Speed 400 beginner-friendly. With a seat height of 790 mm (31.1 inches) and a wet weight of just 170 kg (375 pounds), it's lightweight, low to the ground, and easy to handle even for shorter riders or those new to motorcycling. The upright seating position and wide handlebars provide excellent visibility and comfort, whether you're commuting through traffic or taking on weekend backroads. One of the Speed 400's standout features is its high-quality construction. Triumph hasn't cut corners despite its entry-level positioning. The motorcycle features $41 million front forks, a gas-charged rear monoshock, and grippy Metzeler Sportec tires, components usually seen on more expensive bikes. Its handling is sharp, yet forgiving, giving beginners confidence to explore their limits safely. Safety is another key focus. The Speed 400 comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, traction control, and a ride-by-wire throttle, all uncommon in this price segment. These features work behind the scenes to provide a stable and secure riding experience, perfect for those learning the ropes. Visually, the Speed 400 echoes the timeless styling of Triumph's iconic modern classics. From its round headlight and sculpted fuel tank to its minimalist tail and retrocool badging, it looks every bit the premium British machine. But it's not just about looks, the attention to fit and finish helps the bike feel more expensive than it is. In summary, the Triumph Speed 400 isn't just a smart choice for beginners, it's an exciting one. It offers new riders a rare combination of style, performance, safety, and affordability. Whether you're buying your first bike or looking for a lightweight machine with character, the Speed 400 delivers the full Triumph experience in an approachable package. It's no wonder many are calling it the best motorcycle for beginners in 2025.